That's right. कोई बात नहीं सेनोरिटा बड़े बड़े देशों में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती हैं. And you're listening to Namaste Radio. Welcome back. This is Vanshika, and today with me I have Sushil. And now is the time we will be talking to someone from the restaurant, the most amazing restaurant in town. I love this place, and I have just can't stop eating from there. I am talking about Habibi Kitchen, and we have with us today Mr. Maki El Rahmani from Habibi Kitchen. Good morning, Maki. How are you doing?
Good. How are you guys doing today?
Good, good. Welcome to Namaste Radio. Thank you for taking out the time and talking with us today.
Of course. Thanks for having me, guys.
And we are so happy to have Habibi Kitchen on board. You guys are doing amazing. It's a family run restaurant. So, congratulations for that.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Trying our best.
Yes. So, how is everything going at Habibi Kitchen? And tell us about what Habibi Kitchen is all about.
So once again, thank you guys for having me over. So far, everything is going good. Business is definitely coming back to normal, and it's a restaurant that's run by myself, my dad, and my brother, who's actually the chef. So we're the three that are running it all together. We specialize on our falafel. People have been coming all around Texas just to try our falafel.
Wow.
We have people coming all around Texas to try our chicken shawarma. So that's the thing. We specialize in only chicken shawarma because we've excelled at it. And then we also have like different combinations of sandwiches where you could get. We have this thing called the shawarma hoagie, which is sort of kind of like getting a sub, but Arabic styles, which is
Wow.
the best way you could have it. It's so delicious.
Wonderful. And like you said, it's a family run restaurant. And I want to tell all our listeners, it's mainly the front and the kitchen is taken care by these brothers, and they are young brothers and also studying. So, kudos to you all for the hard work that you're putting in, and your dad. We love visiting. The hospitality is so amazing. Thank you so much for always
No
taking care of
problem.
us. And
Always.
it's in the heart of Sugarland. At this age where I see a lot of kids probably just, not really wanting to get in business and all that. How did you all think of this concept, like you and your brother Jaffer, like Chef Jaffer?
So once again, I'm 19. My brother is 17, and we're the
Wow.
two that are just running it. So I run the front. I take care of like the business, the marketing, the customer service, how everything is ran, like the image of the store, and then he's the mastermind behind the cooking.
Wow.
We got into it. It was sort of kind of a like, hey, it was a limb. Hey, let's do this. You were cooking. He was cooking since he was like 5 or 6 years old. One day he almost burned down the house trying to make eggs,
Oh,
and it
no.
was so funny. Yeah, and I've always had like that. I wouldn't say entrepreneurial mindset. I just love talking to people. So I thought, what's the best way when you just give people food
Uh-huh.
and you give them something that I remember from my childhood, because our food is just as authentic as I can make it. And I remember eating these lovely meals just like how my grandma used to cook it.
Mhm.
And then to the point where my brother has mastered that, and I just love just showing people what I've experienced as a child.
Wow.
And I think that's just the best way to run with it. And that's basically how it just came to life.
Absolutely. And what better way and who else to ask for, than your brother as your partner? So, really, I've known you all for a little while, but in this time that I've known you all, I see the way you all work. I see, and I am so proud of what you guys are doing. So, more power to you all. And
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
the food. Now, you did mention few things, but again, I want to say I love the shawarma. I just love it. And the fries that we had recently, the jalapeno shawarma fries,
Oh,
and
yeah.
the rice platter, the flatbreads. I mean, everything, even the tabuli. I know it's my husband's favorite. He says the lime and everything is so perfectly blended. And the other day when I was there, Chef Jaffer made it, right in front of me. I love that part of it, that everything that we eat at Habibi Kitchen is so fresh. So tell us about that. Like y'all make the sauces or whatever every day. How do y'all do it?
So every single thing is our own recipe. This is something that when we opened a week before COVID, and then that hit us, so we were at a slow pace.
Mm-hmm.
So what we did was every single day we made our own and try to perfect one consistent recipe.
Wow.
So now when you come and visit the restaurant,
Mhm.
everything when you order, everything is made as you order it. Everything is fresh.
yes.
Everything is kept clean. Everything is just prepared. So whenever, just like how you said, you had the tabbouleh, or excuse me, the Arabic pronunciation is tabbouleh. When you
Tabbouleh.
had that, when you had that, it's literally as soon as the ticket print, they just started mixing it. It's not already pre-prepared or anything like that. Everything is made. If it's batch, it's made the day of in the morning, so that everything stays consistently fresh.
Oh yes, and even the sugarcane juice. I mean,
Oh, yeah.
you made it right in front of me the other day, and the taste of ginger in it, and oh my God, that was so good.
Oh, yeah.
I really want to have it right now. My mouth is
Hey,
watering. It
come
is that
come
good.
come over today, and I'll get you a big jug of it. No problem.
Absolutely. Hey, I'm after the show, you're going to see me there today. So, and I want
Yeah,
to
no
tell that
problem.
to the listeners, I'm sure a lot of them have tried, but if not, try the Habibi Kitchen today. And the best thing about Habibi Kitchen is every time you go back, you're seeing something new and it's perfect. And like, Maki's been saying that they tried. The R&D is always needed.
Hmm.
And then other thing that I am big fan of Habibi Kitchen is, so there are days where I'm pure vegetarian. So when I go there, I get so many vegetarian options. But there are days I can eat chicken, so that I can get my chicken options on the other days. So so many options, right? For
Yeah,
like veg, non-veg,
yeah.
vegan.
So just a disclaimer to all the customers, listen, everybody.
Mhm.
All of our vegetarian options are cooked completely different, or in different containers and
Wow,
fryers and all that from our meat options.
that's
I made
amazing.
that specifically because I know I have a lot of people that have just like I wouldn't say allergens or just religious practices that make them need that. So I make sure that everything is cooked separately, prepared separately from our meat, from our chicken, as well as the falafel options and all the vegetarian options.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Yes,
That is
ma'am.
amazing. And like you said, people prefer that. A lot of times you don't get that kind of option. So the vegetarian may shy away, but this is amazing. And, I'm glad that you're doing it that way. So people have that option. So, yes, if you're vegetarian, you're non vegetarian, even if you're vegan, Habibi
Oh yeah.
Kitchen is a place that you can always visit. Now, I was talking to your dad the other day, and he was telling me about different catering options.
Oh yeah.
And so y'all have now thrown in the catering as well. Tell us about that.
So the catering is the best way to describe it is what you want, we will serve it.
Perfect.
It's all authentic Arabic food. You come in, we give you a taste test of everything, how you'd like it. We have like a small set standard menu, but you could modify it to however you like it. We have the chicken biryani, we have the beef and lamb biryani, and we have shawarma dishes. We have everything. So it is not just our menu that you see all the time, but it is also even more. It's the old school, authentic Arabic, Iraqi style foods. It's the foods that you eat whenever it's like you have a feast with a family. It's that type of style. So when you eat it, you feel full. You feel like your grandma cooked it, and you were just at a party, just enjoying the atmosphere and relaxing. We have
Absolutely.
different, we have the different rice dishes that we cater to. We have different meats, and we also have like different sides of salads. Like for example, we give you a big tray of hummus. We give you a big tray of the fattoush salad. We give you a big tray of the tabbouleh, and it's just you just kid it, and we give you the taste test you like it to. We're able to customize it to however you like it. And on top of that, we also have a dining hall in the back of the restaurant that you could rent out, and it will be included with your catering order. If you want to come in, rent it out, it will be completely decked out with fine dining sets. You will have your service up front, and we will be able to cater to all of your needs.
Wonderful. And also, you do have the outdoor covered patio where, I mean, probably someone can have an outdoor event too, right? At this
Oh
time,
yeah,
if they
oh
want
yeah.
to.
Anytime, just give us a call or visit us on our website to contact us. It's habibikitchen.com or 832-999-4161 for all my listeners. And that way, just give us a call. We will set it up. You could come have a taste test, see however you like it. And then we have the back dining hall, which can be blocked off and then just fully catered. And we also do have the big covered patio that you don't see so often here in Sugarland.
Absolutely, it's a big place, and then they're attached to the ice skating rink, so you can enjoy that as well. So Habibi Kitchen, so many options, catering available. Why wait? Just go call them 832-999-4161. And before we let you go, Maki, can you give us the address?
Oh, yeah, it is at 16227 Lexington Boulevard in Sugar Land, Texas. It is right behind the mall and right next to the Ice Skate Center, right here on Lexington Boulevard.
That's right, 16227 Lexington Boulevard. And again, the number is 832-999-4161. Anything else you would like to add before we let you go today?
All I would have to say is just come, try us out. I promise you would leave satisfied.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for taking our time and talking with us. And thank you for your support to Namaste Radio.
No problem. Thank you guys so much.
Thank
Have
you.
a great day, all right?
You too. We'll see you soon. That was Mr. Maki El Rahmani from Habibi Kitchen. And like he said, follow them on Facebook, Instagram for all the updates right now. If you order anything $25 or more, you will get 10% off. Just mention Namaste Radio and you will get that 10% off for any order of $25 or more. Habibi Kitchen. Habibi Kitchen.